All right, I'm filming from Flamenco Park in Rio De Janeiro. It's in an area called Botagrafico, or something like that, close to that. And as you can see in the background, that is the famous Sugarloaf Mountain with a gondola that is connected to this mountain, which you catch on the other side of that near a place called the Red Beach. And it's very peaceful in this park. It's like a big dog park. There's like thousands of cats. I've never seen so many cats in my life. They even have little houses for cats to live in. And then the park also has this beach I'm standing on too as well. And my thoughts so far on Rio de Janeiro are it's a very, very unique and exotic destination. I've never in my life, of all the countries and places that I've been traveling in the last 6 years, experienced anything this diverse and this exotic. It's a very liberal city, so if you are a liberal person, it's definitely your cup of tea. Otherwise than that, if you're conservative, then just be prepared for a very different type of an experience than you might be used to. And so far I've been here for about 3 weeks, and it's been a pretty good experience. The only challenges that I've been getting is sometimes the internet can be a little challenging, and getting money is actually a difficulty. It's very expensive as a northerner to get cash out of the bank. Usually they'll charge you 24 reales, which is equal to, right now, the current exchange rate, $6.50 to take out anywhere up to about $200, $250. And not only that, you've got to have a certain type of bank card in order to do it. Like if you have a PayPal card, it's not going to work. It's got to be like what I was told, part of a star system that works internationally, because Brazil is on a completely different banking system than on the SWIFT system with the BRIC nations. That's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And the challenge that I've been having is that I lost my bank card, and I'm not able to get cash out, so I've been borrowing from my friend, and I'm waiting to actually get money sent to me by my family through Western Union. I can't even get money out, cash advance on my credit cards through Western Union, which I thought you'd be able to do. So if you're going to come here, make sure that you have 1 to 2 bank accounts with a cash card, just in case if you misplace or lose your cash card. Otherwise, you'll be really in a situation where you won't be able to use cash, and it will make your trip and visit to Rio a lot more difficult and challenging to get around without just cash and only using credit. Look at this, we got an airplane like here taking off. So anyway, one of my favorite things about this destination is that the natural beauty and the scenes and vistas and the jungles and the nature wildlife is exceptionally extraordinary. Absolutely phenomenal. I can see why they chose this place for the Olympics, but I have to say that it is a very dirty city. It's very dirty. There are a lot of homeless people, and a lot of people sleeping in the streets, so you don't want to get too close to them, because I had a friend here already who was robbed at knife point by 4 people on the street. So you definitely don't want to be walking around in an area where you probably shouldn't be, or really late at night, especially alone. And one of the precautions that I do to protect myself is I carry myself an extra spare phone. It's an old iPhone, which if someone robs me, I just want to make them feel like they're getting something, even though I don't really care if they steal my iPhone. I don't really want to go through the experience, but it's better than losing my main phone, which I keep tucked either in my inside my jeans, in my pants, And then for my credit cards and my cash ID, I keep it in my sock, in my shoe, like tucked to the side, so that I just say I don't have anything else on me. Here's my phone. As long as they get something, then they feel like they've gotten something, than nothing. So I'm kind of using a technique I've perfected and have been told through other perpetual travelers like me on how to travel a lot safer without losing items that you really you need in order to perpetually travel without having to return home and ask for new cards or ATMs or whatever it is, new phones or services that you might need. So that's about all I have to say today. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some kind of benefit out of it, and I hope you tune in to some more of my videos as I take you through Brazil.